You can forecast revenue in two ways: subscriptions and unit sales. With unit sales, you forecast the number of units you will sell each month at a given price. Units could be the quantity or volume of products sold, the number of hours billed, or the number of services provided at that price, however you want to define a unit. With subscriptions, you forecast the number of new subscriptions started each month, and the model calculates how many returning subscribers you have, based on your contract length and renewal rate. Even if you bill quarterly or annually, enter the effective monthly price. An easy way to get started is to use the automatic scaling tool to ramp up sales at an exponential or straight-line growth rate. If you expect seasonal or intermittent sales, enter your forecast using the monthly detail. You can also copy a 12x5 section from Excel or Google Sheets and paste it in here. Finally, you can link to another product or service if this is an upsell or follow-on product.